What do you do when recruiting isn't working? I mean, you've tried everything. Signs out in front of your building, sign-on bonuses, bigger sign-on bonuses, bigger signs out in front of your plant, pay increases, staffing agencies. Still can't find a CNC machine operator? And if you find one, how long do they stay? We have a fail-safe solution that helps machine shops get the work done so they keep their delivery promises and keep their customers happy. All without hiring a CNC operator if you can find one. More importantly, it helps machine shops control production and be more profitable. The answer to your problem is a purpose-built CNC machine tending robot. It does all the things a machine operator should and none of the things a machine operator shouldn't. To learn why so many of our customers are coming back and buying more robots, visit our website. Or you can call us at 866-952-9020 and then press 1 to talk with a human. RoboJob USA, first in CNC automation.